For 13 years, I lived the same life without realizing it. From one relationship, straight into another. Every time one ended, I rushed into the next. Not because I was ready, not because I was healed, but because I was terrified of being alone. I told myself I needed companionship, support, love, or whatever made it sound reasonable. But looking back, I wasn't searching for partnership. I was searching for a distraction from my lack of direction, a distraction from the goals I never pursued, a distraction from the man I was afraid to become. And the truth is, every relationship exposed a part of me I refused to fix. Every breakup revealed a weakness I avoided. Every new beginning was just me dragging my unfinished wounds into someone else's life. I didn't know who I was. I didn't know what I wanted. I didn't know where I was going. All I knew was that I didn't want to sit alone with myself. For 13 years I lived like that. And the twist? It wasn't any of the relationships that broke me. It was the moment I finally sat in silence, alone, for the first time in years. No one to text, no one to impress, no one to lean on, just me and the truth. And it hit me harder than any breakup ever did. The problem wasn't that the relationships were wrong. The problem was that I was wrong for them. I was half built, half focused, half present, trying to share a life with someone when I hadn't even built my own. That was the day I decided, no more running, no more jumping from one emotional safety net to the next. No more using people as bandages for wounds I refused to heal. I stopped dating, not because I hated love, but because I finally loved myself enough to grow without needing someone beside me. And for the first time in my adult life, I felt free to focus, free to work, free to build, free to become. The growth was uncomfortable at first. The silence felt loud. The responsibility felt heavy. But slowly, I started noticing something. My mind became clearer. My goals became sharper. My discipline grew stronger. My confidence became real, not borrowed. My life finally started moving forward. I became happier, not because someone chose me, but because I finally chose myself. Today I can say this without shame. Those years taught me more than any relationship ever could. They taught me that being alone isn't a punishment. It's preparation, a time to build yourself into a man who doesn't chase validation, but chases purpose. And when you finally become that man, you don't look for a relationship to complete you. You look for one that aligns with you. That's the difference between who I was and who I am now. And if you're listening to this, maybe it's time you stop running too. Sit with yourself, face your truth, and watch how fast your life begins to change.